Hi friends, it's Mimi, and today I have a fun read aloud. This one is for a special holiday that's coming up. Do you know what holiday is coming up? That's right, it's Easter, and I have a wonderful book. It's called The Great Easter Egg Hunt. A look again book. It has more than 200 things to find within the book. Isn't that cool? Oh, sorry, I got a glare there. And this book was written by Michael Garland. It's a scholastic book, so if you get those scholastic book forms, you might find it in there. I'm sure you can find it in your library or online. This is a fun book. It sends you on an Easter egg hunt. Who doesn't like a good Easter egg hunt? Let's be honest, right? And there's letters to the boy who's the main character. His name is Tommy, from his Aunt Jeanne, and she sends him on this fabulous Easter hunt. And you get to go through the pages and you get to hunt for things too. I'm going to read you in the beginning, before we start the story. It's a letter to the reader, to us, from the author. Dear reader, this book is a puzzle, a hide-and-seek game. There's more folly and fun here than fortune or fame. Some letters are hiding, and it's your job to seek. They spell something out if you know where to peek. You'll see cute little chicks and lambs all around. They're not hard to spy, and they like to be found. Count all the eggs made of rubies and gold. Add up chocolate bunnies and bonnets so bold. Check the book's covers, the front and the back. Most things are well hidden, so try to keep track. Take a pencil and paper and carefully look. Make a list of the things that you find in this book. My list's at the end. Take yours and compare. If the two don't agree, there's no need to despair. Look again at these pages, and as you go through, you'll see, if you're careful, my numbers are true. So we're going to get to go. In fact, you should pause this video for just a second, get a pen and paper so you can write down, or even draw pictures if you don't know how to write, the things that you find in this book. And we can even look on the cover. Let's see if we find any letters or anything interesting in the cover. You see anything? You see any letters? Look carefully. Yep, I see it. There is the letter E over here, right on that egg. And I also saw, yep, there's some L's on that egg. There's different things to find. It looks like on the back cover, there's some writing here. It might be backwards for you, or upside down even, in a different language. I wonder what that means. If you know what that means, oh, you'll have to let me know. Check me out on Instagram at Kid Stories and More and let me know what that means. I also wanted to do, before we get into the book, real quick, a super duper shout out to an author that we've actually showcased before. She has her own YouTube channel. Her name is Cheryl Smiley Oliphant, and she has a channel called The Activity Author, and you are not going to want to miss this. I'm going to put it in the description below. I might highlight it somewhere up here, one of her videos. She has the best crafts. If you ever want to do a book and a craft, her channel is the one to go to. She usually has several crafts for each book she focuses on, and it's a great place for you to find some fun activities. So check her out after you watch this video. You got your pencil and paper ready? Let's get into the story. Okay, again, the name of this book is called The Great Easter Egg Hunt. It's written by Michael Garland. I've already read you that. I hope you have your paper and pencil. Tommy woke up early on Easter morning and found a note from his favorite aunt. Dear Tommy, hello, happy Easter. It's that great time of year. Follow the bunny and he'll lead you here. He's a funny old hare with a striking pink vest. Stay close on his trail and he'll do the rest. Aunt Jeanne. Do you see the bunny with the pink vest? That's right. There's Aunt Jeanne. Tommy dashed across the yard and burst through the hedges in time to see the rabbit darting down a path in the woods. He paused just long enough to read the note tied to the hedge. Go down the path that turns into a maze. Getting lost is too easy. There are so many ways. Stay close on the heels of that cute little bunny. I can promise you'll like what you find more than money. Ooh, what do you think you'll find? Do you see anything hidden? Look on the pages. I see a word. It's upside down. Buona Pasqua. I believe that means good Easter or happy Easter. Do you see the rabbit? There he is. Very good. At the end of the path, Tommy found a deep hole in the ground. There was a note lying by the edge. Hop right in, you'll soon know why. This hole in the ground is a hole in the sky. You'll enter a world where it's Easter all year. A basket full of treats is the thing to hold dear. Do you see anything hidden? I think I see some animals hidden and some letters. Do you find anything else? There's so many things to discover on each page. Whoosh! Thump! The rabbit hit the ground running, with Tommy right behind. As he ran along the path, Tommy almost stepped on another note. Look up at this building. What words do you see? There's a message in letters. Your mind holds the key. Do you see any words? I see the word Easter. Do you see any others? There's Aunt Jeanne's name. What else do you see? Lots of words in there. As Tommy entered the Easter egg factory, he grabbed the note that was pinned to the door. He read it as he ran along. Which came first, the chicken or the egg? You're falling behind, so start shaking a leg. When you say to shake a leg, that means to move faster. Do you see anything else hidden? Look at those interesting chickens. The rabbit bounded up the steps of a building carved entirely out of chocolate. There was another note lying at the entrance. I know you love chocolate. Please come on inside. It'll melt in your mouth, so just open up wide. This is my kind of place. Tommy couldn't believe what he saw. He wanted to take a big bite, but he didn't know quite where to start on the 10-foot-tall bunny. As Tommy nibbled on the giant ear, he spotted another note. Chocolate bunnies like this are the best to be found. Listen close while you eat for a funny new sound. Hiss, pop, boink, splat. Hiss, pop, boink, splat. What was that racket? It was the Great Jelly Bean Machine. So this is how they make them, thought Tommy. Look, he's sticking out his tongue trying to catch one. Catch a whole bunch, you're quick and you're young. Can you name all the flavors that you taste on your tongue? What flavor do you think the purple ones are? Grape, that's right. What about the yellow ones? Lemon. The Easter basket assembly line filled the long building from end to end. The workers labored furiously as the baskets whipped by. Add a few eggs and a colorful bow, but don't eat the grass, it's just there for show. Your next destination is no cause for dread. You'll find something there that goes on your head. Do you notice that the letters that she writes rhyme? Can you think of a word that rhymes with dread? What did they say at the last line? That's right, head, dread, head. She also had a word that rhymed with bow. Do you remember what it was? Let me read it again. Add a few eggs and a colorful bow, but don't eat the grass, it's there just for show. So what word rhymed with bow? That's right, show. Bow, show. They both end in the O sound. I see more words. An Easter stroll is not just a walk. A girl needs a hat to make people talk. Do you see anything hidden in the hats? I know I do. Tommy saw the rabbit leave the shop. He followed him onto Fifth Avenue and into the middle of the Easter parade. Tommy read the note attached to a lamppost. Join the procession of this Easter throng. Can you find all the things that just don't belong? Do you see anything in the parade that doesn't belong? That's right. Why would there be a witch there? That's for Halloween, not for Easter. You see anything else interesting? President Lincoln and President Washington. That's for President's Day. What else do you see? Why is Cupid there? That's Valentine's Day. There's all kinds of holidays mixed in here. How silly. A beautiful boulevard led toward a grand, egg-shaped palace. Tommy found an encouraging note stuck to the first statue. You're getting closer. In no time you'll see that the furry white rabbit has brought you to me. Look. Do you see anything interesting here? Wow. Tommy pursued the rabbit inside the palace. On the first step of the winding staircase, he found a note. Don't worry the whys or the wheres or the whos. Speed it on up. Hit those steps with your shoes. There's a great big surprise at the end of this quest. It's all been arranged by the aunt you love best. He's running down those stairs. Let's see if he can figure it out. What does that say? Happy Easter. And there she is, waiting. All the bunnies are there. All the eggs accounted for. Now I'll read you what this says. Dear reader, now that you have reached the end of this book, have you found everything there was to find? Don't forget to look on the title page, the front and back covers, and this page too. There are 28 lambs. Did you get 28? There are 67 chicks, 36 chocolate rabbits, and 45 Easter bonnets. I hope you found all those. Don't forget to count my hat every time you see it. Can you find all the special golden Easter eggs set with red rubies? There are 18 of them. I am hiding somewhere in each scene. Did you spot me every time? Did you see the hidden Happy Easter messages in 14 different languages? They had Turkish, Korean, French, Italian, Croatian, Hungarian, German, Dutch, Portuguese, Russian, Polish, Greek, Spanish, Chinese. Wow. I'm not even going to attempt to try and figure out how to pronounce all of those. Were you able to spot all the hidden letters that spell out Happy Easter? Did you find the message I hid for Tommy on the giant egg next to the Easter egg factory entrance? It says, "The Great Easter Bunny awaits you." Hint, look at the vertical rows of letters from the top to bottom. You should also see horizontally Tommy's name along with mine. How many things did you find in the Easter parade that belong to different holidays? You should have seen a Halloween witch, a ghost with a jack-o'-lantern head, a black cat, a Valentine's Day Cupid, Santa Claus and Rudolph, the red-nosed reindeer, a Thanksgiving turkey, and St. Patrick's Day leprechaun, as well as George Washington and Abe Lincoln. Come back anytime. The Great Easter Bunny loves visitors. Aunt Jeanne. Well, what did you think of that? Fun, huh? Please like, share, subscribe to Kids Stories and More, and come back every week for a read aloud and for some fun activities. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.